NBC29 forecast.
Well, storms chased away the 90s today. Coverage a lot greater across the region. Here's a review on NBC29's exclusive dual-pole triple Doppler radar sent shortly after noon. Storms got going a little early and they were slow moving initially, causing some flash flooding in spots. And of course, with this very hot, humid air mass, buoyancy of the storms up to 50,000 feet, creating potential for some downburst winds. And that damage was realized for some of us this afternoon, along with very heavy rain. Here we are currently. Most of us are now just dealing with some light rain or just overcast skies or mostly cloudy conditions. Severe conditions have certainly waned now, but we could certainly still see some heavier downpours in a few spots, but this is beginning to lighten up. You can see some of the light rain from Standardsville just north of Charlottesville. When you look at the Doppler radar estimates, this is over the last 12 hours, you'll see a little bullseye area here on Afton, and this area was under a flash flood warning this afternoon, and basically it was a nearly stationary thunderstorm for a while, and so the Doppler's estimating some 4 to nearly 5 inches of rain, especially to the west of 151 along Route 6, and then outside of that area maybe 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. So again, some heavy rain did fall, along with trees that fell down because of the winds, and we certainly had a lot of trees down, especially on Old Lynchburg Road, the Fry Spring neighborhood here in Charlottesville. As a matter of fact, that's a site you really don't want to see, but a viewer sent us that picture of some of the storm damage in the neighborhood. There's a view right now from the Lewis and Clark camera. Skies are overcast and still some light rain being reported. 93 our high today before the storm set in. 74 currently. We've had nearly 9/10, just over 8/10 of an inch of rainfall. Our peak gust here at the station, 51 miles per hour, and we did have some tree branches come down and causing a mess on the parking lot. Temperatures overnight pretty much at the levels they are now, upper 60s, lower 70s. Storms fading away and the showers departing. Tomorrow is still a hot day, low to mid 90s, and we'll see another round of some storms during the afternoon. Once again, a marginal risk for some strong to severe thunderstorms that could produce some damaging wind gusts, some spotty hail, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Now, the chance of rain begins to go down as we head toward the weekend, and the temperatures trend down to start the weekend, so it won't be quite as hot. And maybe by Saturday, not quite as humid either. So there's a look at some of the storms over the last several hours. Some of the big storms now out toward Delaware and the Delmarva, and then there's a little complex to the west of Charleston working across the state of West Virginia. Those should begin to wane once the sun begins to set. Real quickly, this is Tropical Storm Gonzalo, set to become a hurricane. It's in the central Atlantic, but headed toward the lower windward islands into the Caribbean, and is forecast to work into the Gulf of Mexico as we get into next week. Something to watch. Here we are with Futurecast. Again, most of the showers and storms exiting the region now. Most of the overnight, mostly cloudy, quiet. We'll start in the upper 60s, low 70s tomorrow morning, and then we'll give rise to showers and thunderstorms. Those will fade away tomorrow evening. Temperatures in the low and mid 90s. Friday, a weak front will push through. That'll set off a few more storms, upper 80s, lower 90s. It should be a little less humid to start the weekend. So showers and storms fading away tonight. Muggy, areas of fog, upper 60s, lower 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures maybe not quite as hot by the end of the week. And as we head into next week, temperatures back in the mid, if not some upper 90s, with some more storm chances. We'll be right back.